Hi, this is Ganga from WinTrader. WinTrader, the best performing technical analysis software, support all major financial markets like NSE, MCX, NCDEX, FOREX, crypto and COMEX. With having more than 14 years of market presence and having more than 15,000 plus clients worldwide. Are you able to make consistent profit from trading? If the answer is no, then I will tell you why. A trader's profit mainly depends on correct entry and exit. So if you can't do it, then you will end up in huge loss. Here, our software WinTrader will help you to pick correct entry, exit with a proper stop loss. We started our journey in 2009 with the first version. Now after 14 successful years, our latest version is 8.1 and scanner 1.2. Please continue watching this video. I will show you in live how to pick correct entry, exit with the proper stop loss by using our software WinTrader. You will get one free demo in your convenient time and place, and I will guide you how to make profitable trades by using WinTrader. My contact details are in the description box. Let's go for the video.
In this today's live video, I will show you how you can use our software WinTrader for option trading. It's a very simple strategy, and I will show you for example, I just open this Bank Nifty chart, and I will show you how you can select strike price, and you have to trade. You have to follow do in your trading platform, whatever trading platform you are using. Trade you have to do in your trading platform. Our software WinTrader is a supporting software. It gives automatic signals, automatic buy sell signals, stop loss, target, and after checking the confirmation of the signal, trade you have to do in your trading platform. And it's all working with the real-time data. There is no delay in the data, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping trading, and swing trading. So when you as I told, that is working with the real-time data, and you can see this bank just opened this Bank Nifty, and this intraday wise it's set the time frame 5 minutes, and you can see 41,328. that is a real-time market value of Bank Nifty, and you can see this is a white vertical line, that is a day separation line. That means today's market start from here, and you can see this green up arrow. Green up arrow is the buy signal, and red one is the sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, the same time there is a alert, there is a pop-up message will display in your screen like this. You can see this alert message will come with sound effect. So in that alert message will you can see that entry point. So if there is buy signal, you can see the buy point, buy price, and if it's sell signal, it contains the exact buy sell price. The same details also mentioned here, and you can see as you can see we got a buy signal at you can see in above dashboard also it mentioned the rate in Bank Nifty. 41,070 we got a buy, and the time is 9:20 in the morning. 9:20 we got a buy signal at 41,070. So software gives signals, as I told, it gives automatic signals. So before taking the call, you have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. Confirmation means checking the confirmation is very easy. I will show you how to follow the confirmation. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation you can see the price, it should be in the same. Means if it is buy signal, if it should be in the buy, it should be in buy zone. First the arrow will come, after that you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, then price should be in buy zone, and the second confirmation you have to enter in the second candle's opening rate. You can see we got a buy at 41,070, that is the second candle's opening rate. So you have to enter in the second candle. So in second candle, you can see on below the second candle there is a bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. It should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is buy signal, it should be green color. So only two confirmations are there. If these two confirmations are okay, that means the signal is confirmed. So normal confirmations are only two parameters are there. If these two confirmations are okay, then the signal is confirmed. So I will explain one more time. First the arrow will come. If this is a buy signal, the first confirmation on below it will show price in buy zone, and the second confirmation on below the second candle, the bar that is our confirmation bar, it should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green color. Vice versa, if it is sell signal, it should be in red color. So if these two confirmations are okay, that means the signal is confirmed. So now coming to option trading. If you are an option buyer, as you can see, we got a buy at 41,070. It's a 41,070. You can software is a buy call na. So it depends on you. You can choose in the money, at the money, or out of the money. It totally depends on you, because it depends on your investments. We are preferring in the money. If you have investment, then in the money is better. So fast profit will get in the money. In the money means, for example, 41,000 we got a buy at 41,070 na. If it is in the money, you can prefer 40,800 or 900 call option. So in WinTrader we have that call option chart is there, separate premium chart is there, option data is there. So you have to match with that chart. So for example, in Bank Nifty we got a buy here na. So I am selecting 41,070. We got a in Bank Nifty we got a buy call. So we have to I am selecting in the money I am selecting 40,800. So you have to open 40,800 chart, and you have to check whether the buy call is there, and we have to check the buy call is there, and if it is confirmed, then only we can take that buys, then we can buy that call option. So right now I am opening this call option chart. This is a 40,800 call option chart. So as I told, in this chart also the buy is there. You have to check whether the buy call is there, and the buy call is confirmed, then only you can go for that buy. So I open this 40,800. This is a premium chart. So you have to check this confirmation from here. The main confirmation you have to check from this chart, this premium chart. This is the option chart. I selected 48,800. In the money I selected select 40,800. So you have to check whether the buy call is there and confirmation is there, then directly you can go for buy the call option. So the buy call is there. Now you can see this green up arrow, that is the buy call is there. Second, you have to check the confirmation. As I told, saying confirmation, second candle you have to enter with the second candle. On below the second candle, the bar should be in green color, and price is buy zone. That means if the price in buy zone is there and the bar confirmation is there, that means the signal is confirmed, then you can directly go for buy. In this premium chart, you can see the entry and exit will show in the same chart, and this is a 40,800 chart, and we got a buy at 373, and that time also software that the signal was confirmed. The very from the morning itself is the software gives a signal, and it is a confirmed signal. 373 is the entry point, 373 is the entry point, and you can see the on above dashboard you can see the exit level is 410, 440 and 469, 3 target. Software is entry and exit level will show in the premium chart. You can see that entry and exit. The first target was 410 achieved, 440 achieved, and 469 also achieved. You can see in the status you can see all target has been achieved. So once again I will explain. If you are an option buyer, if it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, that is our underlying asset. So in the morning itself you have to open Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we are following this Nifty and Bank Nifty for selecting whether I have to go for buy go for option by put option or call option, and which strike price I need to select. For that we are opening that we are following that Bank Nifty and Nifty chart. So once I decide I want to go trading this strike price, then next step you have to open that particular strike price. So main confirmation you have to check in that strike price. Likewise I just open this 40,800. Here you have to check whether the buy call is there and confirmation is also there, then there is you can directly go for buying. So this following this this strategy is very simple, and as I told in the beginning is I am showing a demo in live market. If you are guys interested to know more about our product WinTrader, or if you are an option buyer and if you are a beginner, very simply you can learn this strategy, and I will give a training session how to follow this strategy, and after that we are giving a live demonstration also. And if you are interested, you can call me 9061973737, and this is my official number. You can call or you can WhatsApp. I will explain on call. Otherwise, if you want, you can directly visit our office. Our office is in Kerala. If you are anyone interested to directly visit our office, most welcome. You can call me. I will share your location. Otherwise, no problem. You can online through. I will give you a live demonstration in on call. I will explain how to follow this strategy. And after that, if you are interested to purchase the software, within 10 minutes we will install the software in your system, and we will give a training session, and we will provide a tutorial video also how to follow this strategy. And after that, if there is any problem, you can directly contact me. And I hope you understand this strategy. Call me, I will explain. If you're interested to know more about our product, I will give a live demonstration. While demonstration, I will explain once again. And thank you for watching my video.